I'll show you today how to create a Canva account. So let's get going. So open your browser and type Canva. Hit enter, and then you will see this free design tool, presentations, videos, social media. Just click that one, click the sign up for free. Okay, so you will be prompted on this screen. So there's a lot of options here. That depends on you what you like to use. Google, Facebook, email, or if no avail on this, you can use this continue with another way. So there's a lot of options here. Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Deliver. You can log in also. You can use also your mobile. And you can sign up using your work email. But in this video, I will use this continue with email. So I will pull out my email. And then set your name and password. And then click the create account button. So check your email address because you will need to enter the code. But first, you need to complete these verifications. Then, so check your email address and then copy the code or type the code that Canva sent to you and paste it. You will get this another window prompt. The split day may be later. What will you be using Canva for? Select whatever you want. So in this video, I will use this personal, then maybe later. So it depends on you if you want to subscribe to their emails, messages from Canva. I prefer not, no. So what kind of designs would you like to design? What kind of things would you like to design? For example, we want to create a poster, video, presentation, for this website. That depends on you. For the split, let's go. And then we'll welcome you with a confetti. That's all. You already created your first Canva account. So you can set up as well. So go to the upper right, click your profile and account settings. So this is your account section. You can upload your photo or change the name, just edit, change email address. You can customize this one as well. Depends on what you need or what you want. That's all I hope you learned from this video. Again, if you have any questions, comment below and we'll try that to address. And thank you. Have a good day.